Hello friends, I'm Rahul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what is required to become a DevOps engineer. The last requirement is very much interesting. To know more about it, subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. DevOps is a combination of development and operations. DevOps enables coordination and collaboration between development teams and operation teams. The DevOps engineer performs the task which is related to development and operations and has to work across the full life cycle of the application like development, testing, deployment, and operations. In many organizations, security and quality assurance also becomes part of the task. The goal of the DevOps team is to streamline and automate the manual tasks which were performed by organization to complete the application lifecycle. These manual tasks were slow and sometimes time consuming. So, to automate the task and make the process fast, the industry has some awesome tools to use. These tools are very powerful and reliable. These tools helped engineers to complete the task like deploying an application or deploying the infrastructure. I have posted the videos of the deployment on the channel. Please watch the videos as well to understand the process of infrastructure provisioning and application deployment. These are the things which you should know. Server operating systems. You should know at least one server operating system like Linux, Windows, or both. I mean to say, you should be aware of the different servers like DNS, DHCP, web servers, database servers, NAT, proxy, etc. You also need to know the scripting languages like Shell or PowerShell to automate a small task in the operating system. You should also focus on the operational tasks related to the operating systems like the creation of user, updating packages, extending disk, etc. Next, you should know about cloud computing. You should be very good in at least one cloud technology like AWS, Azure, or GCP. You should be aware of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service terminologies and the related services available in the cloud. Broadly, you should know technologies from these areas. Number one, services which are focusing on the operations. Number two, services which are focusing on application lifecycle like development, build, and testing. Number three, services which focusing on infrastructure services like servers, load balancers, storage, networking, microservices, and serverless. Then number four, services which are focusing on security compliances and improving the security of the cloud, for example, WAF. Next, you should be aware of the programming languages like Python. I would suggest you should be good at programming so you can automate the task related to the services which we have seen earlier. Python is very popular in the industry and many organizations explicitly mention Python as a required skill while hiring. I have mentioned earlier you also should know about the shell and PowerShell to automate server level tasks. Next, microservices and their orchestrations. You should be aware of the technologies which focuses on microservices and their orchestration like Docker and Kubernetes. Docker and Kubernetes are in demand from last few years and become must-have skills in the field of DevOps. Next is version control tools. So collaboration is very much important. Many people work together to achieve parallel development of the solution. So you also should know about the version control tools like Git, Gitlab, and GitHub. Then next is continuous integration and continuous deployment. This is a must-have skill to know about. You should be aware of the tools which provide this functionality like Jenkins, AWS Code Pipeline, GitHub Actions, and GitLab pipelines. You should know the steps involved in the CI/CD and should have practical knowledge of the process. Next tool is configuration management tool. The configuration management tool is used to automate operational tasks like user creation, installation of the packages on the server remotely, and many more. Ansible, Chef, and Puppet are few popular tools that are available in the market. Then next is monitoring, observability, and logging. When we create an infrastructure, we have to monitor the functionality as well. If everything is working as expected, or we have any issues in the runtime. To monitor the issues, we should deploy a solution that can help us to monitor the performance of the tools. The tools available for this section are Prometheus, Grafana, AWS CloudWatch, or third-party solutions like New Relic and Datadog. Infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code tool is in demand. You should be aware of these tools which are providing functionality like CloudFormation and Terraform. You should be comfortable writing the templates to deploy the infrastructure using these tools. If you want to see the tutorials, please comment down below. Now the last one is the DevOps mindset. You have to think about more and more automation. You should be good at automating manual stuff using your DevOps knowledge. In this, programming is very much important. This approach creates a value to the organization and it's help you to grow. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.